Stay put. Ha! Oh, that didn't work at all. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Code 5 Art. This is where I am learning to bring art back into my life, try out and learn new things, and hopefully you guys can be entertained or also learn some things. My current journey is learning how to do graffiti, but my YouTube channel needs some work, so I wanted to take some time and do a piece that actually replaces my banner on the top of the channel, and also for the intro of my videos. So you may have noticed that my intro right now has been really shortened. It was too long before, so I'm just redoing it. I'm going to replace it with what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to grab some pink, some green, maybe some purple, and throw up a piece that will be my new banner. So that's it for the intro. Let's go get some paint down and have some fun. There's the concept. Whoa, whoa. Let's make it paint. Yeah. Let's start it. Oh, it just blew into my beer. Oh well. Okay. Please don't drip. Missing my green. Ha. Yeah. No. All right, I'm gonna have to go over that. Stay put. Ha! Oh, that didn't work at all. I'm really gonna have to fix that pink, huh? Man, I'm sloppy. Oh. Pink is sweet. Man, it's so oozy. Putting that purple on there. Yeah. This makes me nervous, but okay. Oh, no. Ooh. It's not great, but I dig it. Good enough. All right. Yeah, I am very happy with how it turned out. Turns out I'm not that exact as what I see on the videos, but I'm also just beginning, so getting those crisp lines is actually really hard to do. You may have noticed, like when I was finishing the black outline, I was struggling. I had both hands on the spray nozzle, and turns out, yeah, it's really hard. My little weeny fingers just like wore out, and I was like using my thumb to like just try to like finish the line. But it was a good time. I had a lot of fun. That's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe, all that jazz if you like. I don't know, but you guys have a good one, and I'll see you around next time.